Sa kanyang nakaraang SONA, nilatag ni PBBM ang plano nito para pasiglahin ang turismo sa Pilipinas mula sa infrastructure upgrades at digitalization hanggang sa matibay na suporta para sa local products at services. Isang taon mula noon, gaano kalayo na kaya ang narating ng Philippine tourism industry? Alamin sa Special Agenda Weekend Report ni G. Baroga.
Matagal nang kilala ang Pilipinas sa buong mundo bilang paraiso para sa mga biyahero dahil sa breathtaking destinations at hospitality ng mga Pilipino. Sa kanyang ikatlong SONA, kinilala ni PBBM ang patuloy na pagbangon ng tourism sector at binigyang diin ang pangangailangan na lagpasan pa ang pre-pandemic performance nito.
Our infrastructure and digital reforms to development of tourism sites and the enhancement of the overall tourist experience are all calculated to boost the productivity of the tourism sector. While doing so, we shall interpose the wholesome and hospitable Filipino brand in all the key tourism touchpoints, from tourist arrival all the way to departure.
Para kay Tourism Secretary Cristina Frasco, tourism is no longer just about vacations and sightseeing. Isa na itong mabisang paraan para magpatibay ng komunidad, lumikha ng trabaho, pasiglahin ang takbo ng ekonomiya at pangalagaan ang mayamang kultura at kalikasan ng bansa.
Sustainable tourism has been the framework for our country's National Tourism Development Plan, where we have placed infrastructure, innovation, and investment at the forefront, ensuring that the foundation of our tourism industry is strong, the climate for investment is sound, and the sustainability of our destinations is secured for future generations.
Ayon sa World Travel and Tourism Council, malaki ang inangat ng industriya noong 2024. Tumabo ng mahigit 5 trilyong piso sa ekonomiya ang turismo at nagbigay hanap buhay sa higit 11 million Filipinos. Umabot ang domestic travel spending sa 3.6 trillion pesos at halos 645 billion pesos naman ang foreign visitor spending. Matibay na pundasyon ito para sa mas masiglang 2025. But headwinds remain. May global uncertainties, regional tensions kasama na ang issue sa West Philippine Sea at local peace and order concerns na nagpababa ng bahagya sa bilang ng foreign arrivals sa unang bahagi ng 2025. Habang nagbabago ang muka ng turismo, kasabay din ng pag-usbong ng mga bagong hamon. Kasing halaga na ngayon ng promotion and development ang resilience, adaptability at innovation. Sa nakaraang SONA, isinulong ng Pangulo ang experiential tourism.
Food, culture, heritage, the arts, education, halal, Islamic traditions, dive, cruise, farm and ecotourism, even sports, have now become potent subjects and products of a nation's tourism.
Kaugnay niyan, inilunsad kamakailan ng Department of Tourism ang Philippine Gastronomy Tourism Roadmap sa Cebu, isang hakbang para isulong at i-unlock ang culinary tourism potential ng bansa.
The very first national framework to guide investments in food tourism across product development, skills building, digital tools, and heritage preservation to ensure that every culinary region in the country can thrive. Not only as a place to eat, but as a destination to experience.
Nais din ni PBBM na palawakin ang One Town, One Product program na pinopromote hindi lamang isa, kundi ang full range ng mga natatangi at dekalidad na produkto ng bawat komunidad.
We must not rest content to have just one. Rather, we must seek the optimal number of high-quality products and services which at the same time showcase our community's distinctive history, traditions, and talents.
At the heart of this transformation, ang creativity at ingenuity ng mga Pinoy. Noong Abril, lumagda ang tourism at trade departments ng isang kasunduan para suportahan ang mga local tourism enterprises sa tulong ng 500 million peso government fund para tulungan silang lumago.
It is indeed high time that we provide opportunities for them to be highlighted, as well as opportunities for them to gain even more from the efforts of the Marcos administration to truly be inclusive.
Hindi lang bumabalik ang turismo sa Pilipinas, ito'y nagbabago. Sa pamamagitan ng pagkain, kultura at pagkamalikhain, mabilis na nakapagdadala ng inclusive at sustainable growth ang tourism sector, one destination at a time. Para sa Agenda Weekend, G. Baroga, Billionaire News Channel.